Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to add new location on Facebook. Firstly, you need to go and open up a post, for example, in which you can go and add a new location. For example, as you can see here, as my profile is in this location, I need to go just for the three dots and go for edit post. Then I need just to go right down on the fourth selection for locations. And here, how do I delete this location? Just by typing on the X on the right side, and it has been deleted. Now I need to get up again on the check-in or on the location side, and I need to choose another location which I want to be included into my post. For example, here I can add place name, address, town, city. If I couldn't find here on this search box, I will go with home, and I will go this one, for example, go save. And if I take a refresh, as you can see guys, it has been added a new location on Facebook. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.